Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today we have an unboxing video and I'm so excited for this one. I have been looking forward to this box ever since Boxycharm announced that they were doing a collaboration with Fenty Beauty. I absolutely love Fenty Beauty. The products are amazing. So I was super excited to see that they were collaborating for this month's premium box. Now, again, for those of you who do not know about Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription of makeup products. They do a lot of skincare now, so you're definitely getting the best of both worlds. They do have 3 tiers, if you want to call it that. They have a base box, a luxe box, and a premium box. The one we are opening today is the premium box. It is about $40 a month. I think that is an amazing steal. You get, I think it's 6 to 7 full-size products, which is about 2 more products than you get with the base box. So definitely worth it. And like I said, for this month they collaborated with Fenty Beauty, so extremely excited. So as always, I will go ahead and leave the links in the description box down below if you are not already signed up with Boxycharm and would love to give them a try. That will be in the description box down below, so just go ahead, click that link, and then go ahead and sign up. But anyways, before I keep on rambling, let's just go ahead and get into the box. Alright guys, so here is my box for the month of March. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. And as you can see here, it says premium in collaboration with Fenty Beauty. As always, you have your little insert here where it lists all of the products that you're receiving in your box, as well as a little description and their retail value. And we're just going to go ahead and jump on in here. I received the Killawatt highlighter in Trophy Wife. And if you guys do not know, this is like the highlighter of highlighters. It is insane. It is freaking beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. So that right there is the highlighter. Do you see how pretty that is? What's that? Do you see that? That is freaking gorgeous. And this retails for $36. Next up, now this is a variation. Everybody will be getting one of these, but it's not going to be the same color for everyone. This is the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Sticks, and I got the color Confetti, which I'm actually super excited about. If you guys don't know, purple, lavender, that whole range of color is my color. I absolutely love it. So there's the stick, and then you see that it's so freaking pretty. It is so freaking pretty. I love this. So happy that I actually got this color. And you can use it as a highlighter. You can go ahead and use it as an eyeshadow. You can just use it for whatever it is that you want. And that one retails for $25. Next up, we also received a palette. This is the Moroccan Spice palette. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Then you go ahead and open it up. I love that it comes with a mirror there. And then those are the colors. They are absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see those. They're really pretty. Super excited about this. Next up is another product that I was super excited to get. I absolutely love her gloss bombs, and this one is in Diamond Milk. That's so pretty. So that is the gloss right there. Let me actually put some on. Can you guys see that? I'm just so excited. I love these products. And that one retails for $19. Next up, we have these Mademoiselle. I can't freaking say that word. Mademoiselle. Whatever. Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. And I got the shade, I got the shade PMS. So this is what the packaging looks like. Very sleek. And that is the shade right there. It's a very fall, very vampy color, but definitely very wearable, which is great. And this retails for $18. And then last up, this is probably one of the products that I really don't care too much about, solely because I do have the Beauty Blender's Blotterazzi, and that's pretty much what I use to go ahead and blot my face when I do get a little oily. Well, not a little oily, I get oily. But this is her Invisimatte blotting paper. So this is the paper right here, and that's the component. I don't necessarily want to take it out because I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep this or actually go ahead and put it in a box for a giveaway that I will be having in the future. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you are. That way you are notified whenever a video goes up live to see if there is a giveaway in it. But I have heard really good things about her blotting sheets, so that's great. And this retails for $16. So yeah, guys, that was everything that I received in my box. As you can tell, I am super happy with all of the products. Like, I was really looking forward to this box. Again, it is a monthly subscription. For the premium subscription box, it's about $40. You get 6 to 7 full-size products. I got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And let me actually go ahead and calculate the total value of my box just so you guys can see. So the total value of my box is $143. So I saved $103. I know I say this in all of my unboxing videos with Boxycharm. To me, it's just a no-brainer. You are saving so much money. It is such a big bang for your buck, and just sign up. Just sign up. I don't know. You still get so much bang for your buck if like even 2 or 3 items are not your cup of tea, if you want to call it that, because you are still paying so little for getting so much back. But I could go on and rant about this, but I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, all the information will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!